This video covers the Threads page in Scale to Win Text. Organization owners, admins, and super volunteers can use the Threads page to view and respond to all messages in a sub-account. You can navigate to the Threads page from the left-hand side menu. This page shows all messages in a sub-account between a sending number and a contact. In a specific thread, you'll see all of the messages exchanged between a contact and a sending number across multiple campaigns. Each thread also has a small bubble on the left-hand side that shows the conversation status. A green bubble means the conversation needs a reply. A white bubble means the conversation does not need a reply. And a crossed out bubble means that the contact has been opted out. The Threads page defaults to showing you all messages in chronological order. To narrow this view, you can filter the threads based on a number of criteria. Remember to click Apply Filters to change the view. Filters will not narrow down automatically. Threads can be filtered based on the need for a response, the type of sending number that your message was sent from, and the opt-out status of contacts. You can also filter by campaign name or campaign ID, which can be found at the end of your campaign's URL. You can also filter by a specific texter or user in your sub-account. In this box, you can filter for specific text found in either your message or messages that you've received from a contact. You can also filter by a contact's phone number or name to search for their specific thread. Finally, you can also filter by tags in your account that have been applied to conversations. And you can filter by conversations that have been escalated or previously escalated to an escalation inbox. Once you've filtered your messages, you'll be able to see the conversations on the left-hand side of your screen. You can click on a different contact's name to open their conversation thread. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the responses, tags, contact details, and contact history tabs. These tabs will by default show you the most recent campaign that you've texted this contact in or the one that you've currently filtered to. To see a different campaign's response scripts, tags, and contact details, click on the Change Campaign button in any of those tabs and select the campaign that you'd like to see. Responses will show you the canned responses created during the campaign creation process. Tags displays the tags imported in the campaign creation process. Contact details provides access to all of the contact fields uploaded during the campaign build, a link to the conversation, and any relevant conversation notes. Contact history shows all of the campaigns between that specific sending number and contact combination. Conversations can also be escalated to a user or team of users who are equipped to handle certain kinds of conversation topics with contacts. You can click on the Escalate button on the right-hand side to escalate the conversation to the appropriate escalation inbox. Once a conversation has been escalated, you can also de-escalate from the Threads page. If a contact has opted out, a crossed out sign will appear next to their name on the left-hand side. If they were manually opted out, you'll see the person who opted them out and the time that it occurred displayed in the thread. To opt someone back in, you can click on the Opt-in button and then click Reverse Opt-out and select OK. If you have a shortcode number in your sub-account, Threads will be created in the following scenarios: when a contact is included and messaged in an outbound campaign, when a current subscriber texts the shortcode with or without a keyword, and when a non-subscriber texts an opt-in keyword. Non-subscribers who text your opt-out or help keywords will receive automated messages, but a thread will not be created. Additionally, threads involving a shortcode number will show unsubscribe and subscribe buttons instead of opt-out and opt-in. Thanks for watching this video. Happy texting!